Are you ready to create a stunning dessert that's as delicious as it is beautiful? Let's make a gourmet sour cherry tart that will leave everyone impressed. Elegant, tangy, irresistible. Here's what you'll need to get started. For the crust, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 9 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 large egg yolk, and 2 tablespoons of ice water. For the filling, 3 cups of pitted sour cherries, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Start with the crust. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Add the cold, cubed butter. Use a pastry cutter or your fingertips to blend until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Then mix in the egg yolk and ice water. Gently knead until the dough just comes together. Press the dough evenly into a tart pan, making sure to cover the sides. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to help it hold its shape during baking. While the crust chills, let's make the filling. In a saucepan, combine the cherries, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Cook over medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring often, until the mixture thickens and the cherries release their juices. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Prick the crust with a fork, line with parchment paper, and fill with pie weights or beans. Blind bake for 15 minutes. Then remove the weights and bake for 5 more minutes until lightly golden. Spoon the cooled cherry filling into the tart shell. Smooth the top with a spatula. You can leave it as is or top with a delicate lattice crust or buttery streusel for extra flair. Bake the assembled tart at 375 or 190 Celsius for another 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. Let it cool completely before serving. And there you have it. A gourmet sour cherry tart that looks bakery-worthy and tastes even better. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out this video for more.